Here's some footage of this tracking me around. Now, this is the aosu T2 camera, and one thing it does really well compared to other security cameras that I've tried is it does a really great job of picking a subject and just tracking it and following it around. In fact, this has AI, so when you go to the app and you get a notification, it will say exactly what's going on. Here are kind of some examples of how descriptive this gets for what is happening. So you don't have to open the video file to know what's going on. You just kind of read your notification and you know exactly what's happening. If someone's delivering a package, or a deer goes in your yard, or a cat or a dog or one of your kids, you can even tag faces. So this can help decide if this is someone new that's coming into frame, or if this is a family member or something like that. So this is a really powerful camera, but what I really like is it's so easy to set up. Let me go ahead and show you what you get with the package and a bit of what the setup process is like. This is everything that comes in the package, and this was sent to me so I could make this video. Aside from the cameras and mounts, it is solar powered. So if you look at the solar panel on the back side, it actually has a really manageable small cable, which I appreciate. If you need to move this far away from the camera though, then they have extension USB-C cables. This is the mount for the solar panel. Here's all the hardware, and then you do have an Ethernet cable for this hub here. So let's take a closer look at the hub. The hub, it is actually kind of hefty. It's a bit heavier than I was expecting. You've got a sync button on top. You can also use that to turn off the alarm. On the back, you have a USB port, Ethernet, and then there's your power. So in the front here, this cover just comes off. So you could put an additional hard drive in here, just a 2.5-inch hard drive. Here's a closer look at the camera, so you can see where it has the LEDs. There's the camera itself, speaker, and then you can see that this does rotate in just about any direction. Then on the back here is where you'll put the mount in, and it just snaps into place. So all you have to do is put a few screws in here to whatever you want to mount it on, and then the camera is all set. On the back here is a power and reset button. It also has a slot for a TF card. Let's start the setup process by plugging in the hub. So let me plug in power, and I've got it plugged into Ethernet. Nice spiffy light there. I'm going to go ahead and add a new device. Looks like it automatically recognized the new device. We'll go ahead and add it. Seems pretty straightforward. Now it wants us to turn on a camera, so let's turn them both on. Press and hold the power button.
Hello.
Hello. And turn this one on as well.
Hello.
Hello. And it's adding the two cameras. It added the base, and I see the cameras already and a home base, and there's already an update. So let me go ahead and do that. To physically install this, it comes with a mount. You just have a few screws, you put that in, and then this kind of just clips into place. And it does have a solar panel. You could put it on top right here, or what I do to get better direct view of the sun is I will put the solar panel kind of off to the side a little bit. So you can put the solar panel exactly where you want. You never have to charge this as long as it's getting enough sun. So it's one of those things, you set it up once and that's it, you're done. And then with the app, you can kind of set things how you want it. So you can set a home position where you want it to focus on, and then you can specify how you want to be notified. You can set different parameters for the notifications. Then you can select a lot of different features. If you want, this does have some premium features, so you can pay for that, or you can just use everything out of the box. This does come with a home base. The home base, I believe, comes with 32 gigs of storage, but you can do what I did. I put an additional hard drive on it to expand the storage so that I can store video files for a really, really long time. So I can look at video files from several months ago. Anything that goes on, if something happened and you're like, hey, what happened on that day, or someone came, I can go back, look at the footage, see exactly what happened. I think what I like most about this camera is it just does a good job of figuring things out for you. You set it up, you set a home position, something comes into frame, it will follow it around. It has lights on it, so if it needs to be illuminated, it has the lights. It has infrared, so if it's at night, doesn't matter, you can still get a good clear shot of whatever the subject is. It follows around, and then it tells you exactly what it sees, exactly what is going on. If you want something super simple that does a lot, this is fantastic.